People, we are having some bad weather today. It's raining and raining and raining all day. Oh my god, it's terrible. It is terrible, terrible. Yes, and windy, really, really windy. I hope it will stop and later it will be calm. Yes, I hope later it will be calm and nice for us on a rainy day. On a rainy day. Oh my god. Yes, people, it's on a rainy, rainy, rainy day today. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Weather change. Weather change today. Yes. Rainy, 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 rainy day. Yeah. Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are watching me from and what time you are watching me. This morning, I am just in a relaxing mood, like what next because my day has been so hectic. My day does be so hectic. So moving around, doing stuff and thing like that. So I'm just here and just relaxing and then I'm going to get going again. Going and going and going as the day go along. So stay tuned with me, my people. As you all may be wondering, like, what Auntie Kelly have in her hand? I have something called a Portugal. They have mandarin, they have Portugals, right? This is not an orange or a lemon or a lime. This is a Portugal, just given to me by my mom. I just wanna like sit down and enjoy it. So yes, in our country we call it Portugal. It's not an orange, as I tell you all. So you have to peel out the skin. It's just like peeling so easily, so easily. Yes, so easily. You don't have to get. You don't have to see it, people. You don't need a knife to eat this, to get the real nice juicy fruit. It's citrus. It's a cousin of citrus like lime, lemon, oranges, grapefruits, mandarin, tangerine. So it's a cousin. But you don't have to first to get a knife. So we just use our hand like this, and peel it right. Good people. Yes, use it. Get rid of the and we just like split it in half like this. And like we say peg, it have pegs. So I could give you like two pegs to eat. Mm-hmm. The Pepsi. Mm. That's very nice. Yeah, so just spread it. I eat Portugal. Portugal. Right. Now, girl, all the nice taste. We like Costa and orange. Pick out all. Peel it nice. Mm. Yes, so. Um, some people, like my kids, when they were growing up, or people, or even on the whole, they like to like peg them out like one by one like this. And put it in a bowl and make chow, mango chow, orange, apple, plum city, cherries, even cucumber, chow. You put like the shadabani. I have another name for shadabani. Um, bandania, pepper. To make the chow now, you make like right. Let me just get rid of this. I chewing and chewing. So you put it in a bowl, you peg it. You know, as I show you, peg them out like this. You put it in a bowl with shadabani or bandania, as we say, and with garlic, pepper. Maybe if you want to grind up some green seasoning, and you put in it with your pepper for to your taste. Some people like it hot pepper. Oh, burning like, oh, when you're done. Water coming out your eye and nose. Some people like it so hot, but I don't really like it hot. I like it like medium pepper. So and you could make like a chow. We say chow. Like the green mango or the half ripe mango. We cut it up in like pieces, smaller pieces, put it in a bowl with your bandana or shada benny, green seasoning, and your garlic and your pepper. Maybe sometimes some people like to squeeze a little lime for nice flavor and mix it up in the bowl and like even right now in my country this chow is a big seller. My one mango chow and you don't have mangoes at home or you're too busy to make mango chow. Just walk down the street, whatever in season do. Like in season now you have particle and oranges and stuff and thing. Like Palm City, you walk down the street, you go into the towns and you get chow, you start to eat chow. If you don't have time to make it on your own. And you know, people will make the chow and you buy $5 a bag, $5 a bag. Our money now to $1 right now here in Trinidad is $7 to $1. So $5 a bag here in Trinidad you're paying like $5 for a bag, $2, $30 less than $1. One. So I said $1 equivalent to $7 $30. So yeah, you could get a bag like $5, $6. You have a big bag, maybe $10. So this is how it goes. You could make chow. Um, well, and eat. Sit down and eat, have a good time. Friends, when they come along, just having a drinking, I mean, make them chow, I got chow. But you got chow, people, but you got chow. Palm City. I like Palm City. I think some places they call Palm City Golden Apple. I'm not sure. Huh? Yes, Golden Apple. Oh my God, I like that jam. I like cherry, jam, even apples. Apples, you could do it with apples too. You can do it with apples, with garlic, pepper, coriander. If you don't have the shadow benny, you use coriander or nice. Either grind up the pepper. If you don't have, if it at the spur of the moment, you can just cut up the hot pepper into small pieces, nice. Salt. Don't forget. I forget to add salt. You must add salt. Sorry about that. I say bandania, pepper, garlic, salt. Must put salt in your chow. Must put salt. Okay? And instead of it, I remember one time my big son, he was small and I make cucumber chow. That's what we were like, man. We were just in the house and wanted to snack on. So I make cucumber chow and he was so elated. He was so elated. Still, I start me. I had to make it often when he comes. Yeah, I had to make it often. Ma, make some cucumber chow. Make some. So I would go to my freezer and I will get the cucumber, cut it up nicely, put my shadow benny or my bandania with salt, huh? Salt, don't forget the salt and garlic and mix it up nice, pepper, and we have so much fun eating cucumber chow. Mm-hmm. So stay tuned with me, people. Please stay tuned with me. Don't go away. I have much more to talk about.